Have you ever gotten an email that you want to respond to but you're lost for words? Or you want to prevent getting angry? Let's look at this email from my manager that wants me to work on a new project. He wants me to work on the project even during my weekends and even without a team. Well, without getting angry, I want to respond to this email and I'm going to use ChatGPT to do that for me. And let me show you how. So first open up ChatGPT and paste the email in the chat. And then paste in the following prompt. Please read the email and answer professionally while mentioning that I don't want to work on the weekends and that I want to have Rachel on my team. And then just hit enter and then ChatGPT will craft a reply for you. And as you can see, ChatGPT came back with a reply and it's not emotional at all. And it conveys my points. Whew! I dodged the bullet with that project. Thanks ChatGPT. And for the next use case, I want to show you how to reply to an email even though English is not your first language. So let's look at this sponsorship email that we will be responding to. It was probably written by using an email template, but we got something better. We have ChatGPT. So let's open it up, paste in the email and use the following prompt. Read the email and write an English reply. Please translate and include the following Dutch bullet points in your reply. Thank you for the compliments on my YouTube channel. I would love to collaborate and would like to receive your proposal. Let's schedule a call and I'm looking forward to working together. And then just hit enter and see the magic happen before your eyes. And it's that simple. ChatGPT will craft a well-structured English reply and everyone will think that you're a native English speaker. Well done. And of course, you can change the Dutch language with your own and you can even change the target language. So if you want to write your abuela but you haven't been practicing your Spanish enough, well, now you can. And there you go. Now you have more time to enjoy life or watch some of my other videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Hey friend, YouTube thinks that you want to see this video next, so go and give it a try. Abuela.